It is given to you. It means that these two angles are equal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and this angle will be equals to this one. That is the my point. Okay. Acha, okay. All the angles are marked. Now there is a third. There is a third line which passes through this point. Passes through this point and parallel to this line. Parallel to this line. These two lines are parallel. If it is 3 angles, then it is also mark it with 3 lines. Why these two angles are equal? Sorry, corresponding. These two angles are corresponding on the same line. Corresponding angles. Z to ban nahi raha. So corresponding angles. These two angles are equal. अच्छा जी. What is the question? A, B, C, A, B, C.
सर ए और एन वाला उसने लिखा है ना
N and M. Now what is the question, भाई?
सर उसने कहा है कि एन ए एम और बी एन एल आर इक्वल. हाउ?
N A M
और बी एन एल.
B
एन एल.
N
एल. एल ये सी से पिछले वाला है.
L. जी. These two triangles are congruent
जी सर.
or similar? These two triangles are similar. Yes, we have already proved that.
Yes, sir.
These two triangles are similar. कल तो किया था. Yes.
You're not understanding my question. मेरा
Oh.
question है कि ये he said these two angles are similar, but what is his reason? I'm not understanding his reason for these two angles.
N A M. N. Just a minute. N A M B N L. Both the angles are equal. Okay, angle number 1. Angle number 1 is equals to angle number 2. You said that. These two angles are equal. Acha beta. What is my point? I am ignoring these two angles. ठीक है बच्चे? These two. It is a double angle. Double angle is equals to this double angle. This triple angle is equal to this triple angle. ठीक है? In a triangle, if two angles are equal, in a triangle, if two angles are equal, in this triangle, two angles are equal. In this triangle, these two triangles, so two angles are equal. Then automatically third angle will be equal. So we have to prove the two angles must be equal for similar triangles. Okay? It is another way. Now, what is this question? This question is angle this one and this one, both are equal. Both are equal. If the two angles are equal of the triangle, two angles of triangle A N M and A N M and N B L. Triangle NBL are equal. Then the argument ही नहीं बनता. It is not the argument. We have to show the third one is also equal. Is that clear? It is not the argument. We will not give you the marks for that argument. We will give you the marks for these two arguments. These two arguments that this double angle equals to this. Why these two angles are equal? Corresponding angles. These two angles are corresponding. That's why angle L equals to angle C corresponding. That's it. Is the easiest way to solve that. If two angles of triangle ANM and triangle NB are equal, then the third angle should be equal. Should be equal. If anyone said that the angle A or angle this, ये दोनों क्या हैं? Common angles. They are coinciding angles. They are coinciding angles. They are corresponding angles. तो उसने कौन सा तीर मार दिया भाई? तीर मारना कौन सा है? The big gun is to prove these two angles are equal and this angle is equals to this one. That is the big problem. How can you say that this angle is equals to this? So with the help of the two triangles, smaller one and the bigger one, we'll follow this. We can't directly show that. Achha, is that problem clear, Lisa?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, beta. Thank you. Thank you. Now, other questions? Where is that assignment? Take it out. Hurry up. Any question? Here you go to. Hussain, is there any problem in solving the questions of assignment?
No,
Hussain,
sir. No, sir.
in which question you have a problem?
No, I don't have any problem, sir, with the questions.
Achha, you have solved all the questions of the assignment?
Not all. I think there are few left.
Few left, still left.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Is there any problem in any question? Roma?
No, sir.
No, sir. Roma already solved all the questions? Anji, is there any problem left? No. Lisa, is there any problem
No,
left
sir.
in the assignment?
No, sir.
No, sir. Good. No, sir. Good. Now the next topic. CR,
फिर मुझसे नहीं पूछा आपने
तुम तो कल यहाँ थे. Yes. Next topic. Transformation. Next topic. 1942.
Graph pattern sequence
Sequence.
in series.
And where is that one?
Which was
Here, here.
GPS कर ले यार मैंने.
Next topic.
Pattern sequence उसका practical graphs.
Graphs in a practical
जी सर.
situation.
सर उसके दो क्वेश्चन आते हैं अभी.
किसके?
इसके
तो आप करके आए. If you have a problem, then I will solve.
practical situation.
ऐसे नहीं है जी. Graphs in a practical situation, please. Graphical solution. Graphs in practical situation. Graphs in practical situation.
So the graph of function and graphical solution यही बात है ना?
नहीं बेटा. Next one. It is
Travel graphs.
yes, travel. तो रिवाइज नहीं करना. ये करने की जरूरत ही नहीं. तो भाई
तो उससे ऊपर वाला करना चाहिए वो फंक्शन बोला. ये तो काइनेमेटिक्स वाला ही आता था.
मैं दोनों कर लेते.
काइनेमेटिक्स के बाद वो कर क्यों भाई? Graphical solution of equations.
Practical graphs.
And after that,
So transformation.
Transformation.
Loci and construction.
Loci and construction.
जी सर.
Okay. Graphs in practical situation. Graphs. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Travel graphs. Travel graphs. speed time graph and velocity time graph. Speed time graph and velocity time graph. Graphs in practical situation. Graphs in practical situation. जी बच्चों, number one graph, it is a distance time graph. Distance on y-axis, distance on y-axis, and time on x-axis. Zero. There are three situations, 1, 2, and 3. It is a distance time graph. Distance time graph. So point number 1, gradient of distance time graph. Distance time graph. Graph equals to speed. Gradient of situation number 1. If you find the gradient, then it will be your speed. Find the gradient, it will be your speed. In position number 2, particle is at rest. Situation number 2, particle is at rest. Particle is at rest means speed is 0.
Yes, sir.
At this point,
No acceleration.
speed is 0. Speed is 0. अच्छा बच्चों, velocity time graph या speed time graph. Speed and time. Speed time graph. Situation 1, situation 2, and situation 3. 1, 2.
So जो velocity की speed
Speed and velocity. एक ही बात. So it is a velocity time graph. Velocity time graph. How is the speed time graph in mathematics? So number 1 point.
increasing velocity.
Number 1 point. Number 1. Gradient of speed time graph. Speed time graph is acceleration. Situation number 2.
Zero acceleration.
0 acceleration is 0.
Is zero.
Acceleration equals to 0.
Sir, third
Or-
acceleration.
Constant speed. Constant.
Sir, velocity ना लिखे हैं अगर velocity time graph है तो.
अच्छा जी. Constant speed. Constant velocity. Speed and velocity both are same in mathematics. अच्छा. So acceleration is 0, constant velocity, constant speed. Particle is moving with constant speed. And situation number 3,
Deceleration.
deceleration. Situation number 3,
Sir, इसमें वैसे नहीं लिखना uniform या
deceleration. नहीं बेटा. Deceleration. जी कॉपी कर ली. These are the notes of travel graph, speed time graph and distance time graph.
सर ये कौन से पेपर में इसका क्वेश्चन आता है?
Paper 1, paper 2 in both. लीजा, paper 2 and paper 4. Paper 2 में आएगा आपको of IGCSE.
ओके.
O levels, paper 1, paper 2 in both. क्वेश्चन 2 कर ली और फिर उसके बाद चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Zero, 15 and K. 0, it is 15 and it is K. Height is 20. It is speed time graph. Speed and time. Speed is in meters, time is in seconds. Speed is in meters. So these are the meters and these are the seconds given to you. जी बच्चों, I am reading the question. The diagram is the speed time graph of a car's journey. Find the speed when time equals to 12. Find the speed of the car when time is 12. When time is 12, what is the speed? You get it? T equals to 12. Find the speed. Look at this question. Acceleration. Acceleration is constant. Acceleration is speed time graph. Gradient is called acceleration. It is a straight line. It is a straight line. So gradient of the line is constant. It means the acceleration is constant. So what is the gradient of this line? Gradient of this line. Gradient of the line is same at all the points. All the points. So बच्चों, when gradient is same at 0 0, from 0 to 15 gradient is same, and from 0 to 12 again gradient is same in both the cases. अच्छा बच्चों, that is the key point. Are you able to understand? Yes, online students.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, we will find the gradient.
Yes, sir.
Gradient. Now at this point, 15, 20. 15, 20 and 0 0. 0 0. What is the speed at 12? Speed at 12 is v. Speed at 12 is v. So coordinates of this point are 12, v and 0 0. ठीक हो गया? So gradient is same. Gradient is
सही तरीका मत कैसे होगा ये सेकंड वाला
in both the cases gradient is same. So means इसका gradient क्या y2 minus 20 minus 0 over 15 minus equals to v minus 0, v minus and 12 minus gradient is same. Gradient is same. So 20 over 15, v over 12. ठीक है आगे 5 4s are 5 3s are 4 over 3 equals to v over 12. So v equals to 4 over 3 multiplied by 12 move करके 3 4 4s are velocity is speed is 16 meter per second.
सर ये वैसे नहीं निकाल सकते देख के ग्राफ से
Graph. It is not a graph. It is a picture. Diagram only, not on a graph. So we can find it with the help of graph. Okay, but it is not a graph. That's why we are solving that question. So speed when time is 12 is equals to 16 meter per second. Next is बच्चों the distance traveled by the car is 750. 750. It is given 750 meters. 750 meters is given to you. Find K. Distance traveled from 0 to K is 750 meters. So area under the curve, number 3. Area under the curve is equals to distance. ठीक है sir? So how can we find this area? What is this shape? How can we find the area?
इसको ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते शेप तो वो हमें
करें, go ahead.
एक रेक्टेंगल बनाते हैं ट्रायंगल बनाते हैं
Triangle and okay, good. Area. So area equals to area of triangle, which is equals to 1 by 2. What is base? 15 into height. What is height? 20. Now the area of triangle. Area of triangle is clear. 10. 150 is the area of triangle. 150 is the area of this triangle. If we subtract 150 from this, so we left with 600. क्यों जी? 600 is the area of this block. 600 is area of now find the area. Find area of this block. What is this length?
ये कांस्टेंट
What is this length? K रख दें इसको. X length is x. Let this length is x into x. This x into height 20 equals to 600. Area. ठीक है? So divide 20 with 600, you will get 30. X is 30. This gap is 30. This gap is 30. Now what is K? Yes. K equals to 45. Because X is 30. So we will add in 15. Add 30 in 15. We will get the answer. ठीक है बच्चों? समझ में आ रही है?
तो 600 किसका एरिया निकला था?
ऐसे ही है
Can I erase that? Area of the whole diagram is 750. Up till yes. ठीक है? He suggested that please divide this shape into a triangle. 15 is given to you in a triangle. ठीक है? And this box, which is rectangle. ठीक है? Area of triangle, half base. What is base? Into height is 20. One area. 750 plus second area. Second area.
600
This length is x and height is 20. Height is 20. X and height is so 20x. All together equals to 750. Now clear? G. Tens are. So 15 tens are 150 plus 20, 750. 600 equals to 20. X equals to 30. X equals to 30.
क्वेश्चन के साथ जो आपने
Huh?
क्वेश्चन के साथ
Find the value of K. Find the value of K. Therefore, K equals to 45. ठीक हो गया?
so y is equal to 45 वो तो सिर्फ x नहीं है
X क्या है?
30
30. ये गैप 30 आ गई. It is 15.
45
15. तो K क्या है? Yes. K equals to 45. Now deceleration is 2 meter per second square. Deceleration of this portion is given. Find the value of t. जी बच्चों. हाँ जी. Now k is 45. K is, what are the coordinates of this point? 45, comma
20.
shabash. And coordinates of this point is
0, 0.
t, comma shabash. 45 and 20 and t, comma gradient of these 2 points. Gradient of these 2 points is equals to gradient -2. Gradient is, he said retardation is 2. Retardation is 2. So you will take -2 because retardation is negative of acceleration. Negative of acceleration. It is important. Retardation is negative acceleration. Handy, please find 0 minus over t minus 45. So move this side. -2 into t minus 45 equals to -20. Minus sign cancel from both sides. Divide 2. 10 t minus 45. So add 45 over here. So t equals to 50. 55. The value of t is 55. Graphical questions are much easier than the speed time graph. Question number 18. Please solve this question on your copies. Question number 19. In question number 19, car is traveling with the V, and deaccelerates until its speed approaches to 12, 0. In 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, it deaccelerates. Finally, it is K. So what is the question? दो क्वेश्चन मैंने कौन सा लिख दिया? मैंने लिख दिया मिक्स कर दिया V12 0 0 15 15 and 25.
Less than 1 minute is left for the meeting to end.
it is question number 18 and 19. You have to solve question number 18 and 19
ओके सर ठीक है
of
अल्लाह
topical.
हाफिज सर
Retardation of the car. Retardation is given. 0.4 is the retardation. Meter per second square. A part. Find V. Retardation given. Meter per second square. तो कैसे find करेंगे V? How can we find V? With the help of coordinates of this point is
15 and
0, V, 0, V, and 15, 15,